Welcome back guys to another one. Well, as you can tell, today's review it's about a USB condenser microphone called the Q9 from Tonor, and what better way to test it out than to do the whole review and record with it, and especially in the intro. So let's see what you guys think about it. So let's begin. As per the title of this video, if you are looking for a budget microphone which comes with everything that you need to get you started, well, look no further than the Q9 from Tonor. We all know if you want to get the ball rolling on YouTube or streaming on Twitch, for example, you need decent audio quality because nobody will overcome this. You will get away with a lower video quality, but as long as the audio is good. So for the asking price, you get a complete plug and play solution from the boom arm to a pop filter and a mic cover. Plus, being on the USB interface basically doesn't get more plug and play than this. You can find it on Amazon for $55 since it's already discounted, so make sure you have a look because a small investment like this will most definitely be worth it in the long run. The Q9 comes shipped in a minimalist box, but everything is safely secured inside. This is the mic cover / windshield. Next up is the pop filter, which cancels any unwanted emphasis on certain letters like P or S's, for example. A warranty card and a quick user's guide. Then this is a really must-have item, which is the shock mount, which basically makes the mic float and thus isolates any unwanted noises like the open ones picked through your desk, for example. This is the table clamp where you will insert the boom arm later. The USB cable provided is 1.8 meters long. Now here is the main item, of course, the Tonor Q9 mic, which is 16 mm in diameter and feels really solid from a build quality point of view. Those are the gain buttons, but more of this later, and this is where you insert the USB cable. Finally, the boom arm, which has a generic design, but it should do the job since it has adjusting clamps on it. Installation is pretty easy, just make sure you clamp it to your desk properly, then insert the boom arm, and on the other end just thread carefully the shock mount. Insert the Q9 mic while making sure that the side which has the buttons is facing your mouth, because remember, this is a cardioid microphone, which means it will record the best sound quality from one direction only. Plug the USB cable and there is a blue LED to notify you that the mic is live, which is also present on the recording side. Attach the mic cover and if you need, of course, the pop filter to the boom arm. That's it. As you can see, for my setup I can easily rotate it out of the way, so I don't have to worry about it. Testing time. I will compare the Q9 with my trustworthy Blue Yeti, also a USB mic, and then the built-in one in the camera I used to shot this video, the Sony A7 Mark IV. Also, big shout out to Angelo for lending me his pride and joy to record this video, so thank you, man. Of course, what you are about to hear are the untouched sound files. This is how the Blue Yeti sounds like. This is how the Tonor Q9 sounds like. This is how the Sony A7 Mark IV sounds like. This is how the Blue Yeti sounds like. This is how the Tonor Q9 sounds like. This is how the Sony A7 Mark IV sounds like. Welcome back guys to another one. Well, as you can tell, today's review it's about a USB condenser microphone called the Q9 from Tonor, and what better way to test it out than to do the whole review and record with it, and especially in the intro. So let's see what you guys think about it. So let's begin. To my ears, the Tonor Q9 sounds really good when you consider that the Blue Yeti is like 3 times more expensive, while the Sony camera, well, that's worth more than my car. So there you have it guys, the Tonor Q9 offers exceptional value for money considering its plug and play nature, straight to the point operation and all of the accessories you need to get you started. The only complaint I have is that when you use the gain buttons on it, you have no idea where the current level is, so you have to wing it by trial and error in your recording software until you get your desired level. Each press of the button corresponds to a 5% increment according to Tonor specs. So let me know guys, what microphone kit are you using so far, and feel free to interact with the famous like and subscribe buttons, and see you all in the next one. Alex out. Alright, where did I put you? Lost the mic? Here, mic. Here, pretty boy. Aha, there it is.
Blends so well.
So yeah, we lost the mic.